Hello everyone. Today we will learn mirror feature command situated in home tab. In more options, you will find mirror feature. This command is used to mirror any feature with respect to any plane. So let's have a look at that. For the mirror feature command, you have to always select a plane, or if there is not any plane, you have to add one plane first. Here is already I have added one plane, so I don't need to do that. So I am selecting this feature, this edge blend as a feature. Then it is asking me to select a plane, existing plane, or you can create a new one also. I'm already having existing plane, so I'm not creating any new. I'm just selecting that plane and hitting OK. As you can see, here is also edge blend got applied. Whenever I will change that edge blend, I'm doing 20 over here. It will also get applied in other where it is getting mirrored. So here is two holes which I created in one rectangle. We will also do the mirror of that. So take a mirror feature command. Select the features, these two features. I I'm uh, I don't have any existing plane, so I am taking new plane over here. For the specify plane, I am taking point and direction. There are multiple methods to create a plane, so I am taking point and direction method. Here is a point and direction is this. Then hit OK. As you can see, both holes are got created in opposite side also. For any feature, you can use mirror feature command just to put plane and it will get applied. Before putting any plane, just to decide in which direction you have to do the mirror, and all the features you can mirror it. I hope you understood. Thanks.